I, Tabitha Ouya Wanyama, Judge of the High Court, do swear in the name of the Almighty God to diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya.
While the constitutional separation of powers delineates functional boundaries between arms of government, it is crucial to understand that ultimately we all are servants of the people entrusted with public responsibility for their benefit. At this juncture in our nation's institutional evolution, it is clear where the boundaries of our respective mandates lie. It is time to utilize our capacities and resources to establish collaborative frameworks on issues where we can align and advance the national interest without sacrificing our constitutional autonomy. I believe, and I know from humble precedents, that it is possible for us to engage in progressive conversation and find consensus on ways and means of enabling one another to serve the people better. As the executive, we have a strong interest in an effective and efficient judiciary because our nation's economy and security and the people's rights and freedom depend on it. For this reason, we shall not hesitate to make our contribution to the enhancement of the judiciary's capacity to deliver justice in every part of Kenya, especially through support for infrastructure and other development requirements. To accord Kenyans the full promise of our Constitution, each one of you must remain alive to Articles 10 and 159 of the Constitution, as well as the solemn oath you have taken today. Your devotion to these mandates and undertakings and your commitment to diligently serve the people of Kenya and to do justice to them without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence, as I heard each and every one of you say, will make the difference between progress and failure, freedom and tyranny, and prosperity and destitution for the people of our beloved nation. Judges, ladies and gentlemen, and my good friends, advocates, I wish you success as you embark on serving the people of Kenya. May their yearnings for freedom and justice inspire you to give your best every day.